Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I'm going to show you what the SuperTrend bot did today, and it's some new settings I come up with probably about 4 days ago, roughly, and I posted them for everybody with the SpyBot lease, and I'm going to show you what it actually did today. So there's several different ones that it could have run and would have made money on actually all of these right here. And today I did not get up until late, so I had to run it in the later part of the day. I slept in, just not feeling good, and so I ended up running this a little after 10 o'clock. I turned it on, and it actually caught this run, and it did really well. I shut it off manually right here. That was more than enough money. I'd already made $12.75 on the Angler bot, and I went ahead and run this one. Made $22.33.68. That's after commission. So it did really well. It would have actually made a lot more. The settings I have would have just kept on running, but I saw this shooting star, and I got nervous about it. I was already up a lot, so I manually closed it out. So if I hadn't, it'd been a lot more. If I had turned this on sooner, then I would have, still made money on it. The way we turn it on is, I think it's just after 8:30. So this one would have made money, and you would have been done. So the way I look at it is, you get your one trade and you're done. You don't just keep on trading. So this one would have got your daily goal. This one would have got your daily goal, and this one got more than my daily goal. So on this one, I trade 4 contracts. I trade 10 on Angular bot. I trade 4 on this one. And as you can see, it actually did really well. Pretty happy with it. This one, just to give you an idea, 375 max profit. So you would have got your $1,000 there, and that's kind of my goal that I like to get. This one would have went up to 612, more than got your money out of that one. So it doesn't matter if you had turned it on when we have it time to turn on or not, you would have made your money. There's 3 good trades here that if you would have run and got. This one right here, actually, I still have it on. I forgot to pause that. So we are actually in a trade right now. I thought I had that paused, so my fault. So you're seeing a trade right now. We've already taken 1 profit here. I don't have my chart trader turned on. But we just actually took the trade right here for the 2 contracts. And if we wanted, we can go ahead and close that out. I might just let this run a little bit. I'll just let the stop go ahead and take care of it. It looks like it's actually going to be a good trade. So this one right here, I think I might, I'm already in profit on it. I forgot to pause that though. I've got it paused now so it won't enter another trade. This more than likely may go ahead and keep on coming down, and I'll just let it run there a little bit. I may end up making a lot more money than I wanted. I like that. So we've got the 2 on there. My flags aren't coming on for some reason, and I don't know why. I think it's because I had a glitch on my chart, and I can't even adjust this over here. My chart trader won't come on. Something I'm working with on NinjaTrader on. I'm gonna go ahead and close this out and take my profit. So I've got all 4 right here taken out. So now I'm up 26.92.36. Without having my flags on there, I don't want to let it run. See, I could have made more there. That's all right though. I got more than my goal right here. I didn't even want to take this trade. I wanted it to just be on this one. So you got to see that go into live there. But as far as the bots, how you actually get into the bots is, let me pull it up here. So if you go to my website, if you're wanting to trade the SuperTrend, you need to go to the SpyBot up here. And when you go there, it'll go over different ones. The one that I'm using right now is this one right here, the SuperTrend. And I use different settings now than what I did back then. And the settings I'm using now seem to actually be a lot more consistent than what they were here. So I'm going to post some different videos on that. And if you go down to the bottom, there's two different bots that you can do. You can do the basic, which gives you the SpyBot, all the videos set up and all that to know how to do it. And then it's also got the premium package, which gives you the live training sessions, and it also gives you the courses on my website to help make you a better trader. So you get all of that with the premium package. Now, if you lease the Angular indicator, you'll also get the Angular bot. And that's the one that I had done a video on earlier this morning. That one does probably the best bot that I have. It actually does really well. And you can also lease it separately. So you can watch another video on how to do that. But if you want to talk to me, if you've got any questions, you come up to the contact page. When you come up to the contact page, fill out the information here and send it. I'm the one that gets the emails, and I'll respond back to you really quick, usually almost instantaneous. I'm real good about my customer service part. I want to make sure everybody's doing well and making money. So the Angular bot, you can go right here, click on this, and this will talk about the Angular indicator and so forth, but that's a different video. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. This is, actually, I guess that was good to close out right there. So I'm fine. Up 26.92.36, and you got to see that go in the trade right there. Have any questions? Let me know. Have a great day, guys.